Ever feel like your debit card is a bit meh? You swipe it, you pay, maybe you get a couple points for that travel mug you don't need. But is it really doing anything special with your hard-earned cash? Well, hold on to your receipts, because today we're diving deep into the EQ Bank Card, a prepaid option that's shaking things up. Now, before you click away thinking prepaid? No thanks, hear me out. The EQ Bank Card isn't your average gas station top-up situation. This card is packed with features that might surprise you, especially if you're looking to stretch your dollar further and gain a little more control over your spending. So, is the EQ Bank Card worth your plastic pocket real estate? Let's break it down. Budgeting boss, why the EQ Bank Card could be your new money master. First things first, the EQ Bank Card is all about budgeting. Unlike a debit card linked to your checking account, you load this card with a specific amount of money. That means you're spending what you have, not a penny more. No more late-night online shopping sprees you regret in the morning. This feature is a game changer for anyone who struggles to rein in their spending. By keeping your spending money separate, you can visually see what you have left and avoid that sinking feeling of an empty bank account. Double dip? Interest and cashback, not your average combo. But wait, there's more. The EQ Bank Card doesn't just help you stick to a budget, it rewards you for doing it. Here's the exciting part, you actually earn interest on the money you load onto the card. That's right, it's like a mini savings account attached to your everyday spending. Now, the interest rate might not be enough to retire on a beach somewhere, but hey, every penny counts, right? The real kicker is the fact that you also get 0.5% cash back on every purchase. Think about it. You load up your card, earn interest while you carry it, then score a little cash back for every swipe. It's a win-win for responsible spenders. Fear not, the travel enthusiast, conquering the world without foreign transaction fees. Traveling the globe? Don't worry, the EQ Bank Card won't hold you back. Unlike many traditional debit cards, the EQ Bank Card boasts the magic words, no foreign transaction fees. That means you can explore Parisian markets, indulge in delicious street food in Bangkok, or find hidden gems in Rio without getting hit with surprise charges. Just remember, foreign ATM fees might still apply, so be sure to check with the local bank before you withdraw cash. The not-so-glamorous side, a few things to consider. Now, before we get carried away on a metaphorical shopping spree, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. For starters, the EQ Bank Card isn't a credit card. That means you can't build your credit score with it. If you're young and just starting out, this might be a factor to consider. Additionally, while you can use the card anywhere MasterCard is accepted, it's not linked to any fancy rewards programs you might be used to with other cards. So, if travel points or airline miles are your jam, this card might not be the best fit. Finally, because it's a prepaid card, you can't go into the negative. There are no overdrafts to save you if you accidentally overspend. The verdict, so, do you need an EQ Bank Card in your wallet? Ultimately, whether the EQ Bank Card is worth it depends on your financial goals and spending habits. If you're a budget warrior looking for a way to control your spending and earn a little extra on the side, this card is definitely worth a look. However, if you crave the perks of credit card rewards programs or need the flexibility of an overdraft buffer, you might be better off with a different option. The bottom line, the EQ Bank Card is a compelling option for budget-conscious Canadians who want to maximize their money. It offers features like interest on your balance, cash back on purchases, and the freedom of global transactions without foreign transaction fees. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Consider your financial priorities and spending habits before you decide if the EQ Bank Card deserves a spot in your wallet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.